Welcome everyone, we meet here again, and today we are going to talk about magic. Just that instead of a bird, this time it's $1.5 billion. And as you have probably guessed it from the title, the star of tonight's show is Voyager, the crypto broker which recently filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. So let's look at what has exactly happened. Voyager was a broker, meaning customers could go ahead and deposit their crypto assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, etc., into their services, and in return, they would get close to 8 to 10% on their assets. Well, you could say this amount of return is insane, whereas other American banks offer you 1% to no interest on your deposits. How did Voyager justify this return? Well, as per them, they invested their customers' money into low risk investments, and this effective risk management strategy is what makes them different. And it turns out that more than 50% of their investments was into a single institution. Well, I don't know if this diversification accounts for a low risk investment strategy, but what makes matters worse is that that institution is Three Arrows Capital. Yes, it is the same venture capital which went bankrupt a month earlier. So basically, Voyager did nothing wrong. Everything that was wrong was with their economic model of their DeFi protocol. Celebrity investors like Mark Cuban invested heavily into platforms like Voyager and even marketed it to a large scale. And all the people who invested all their life savings into Voyager, believing on these crypto influencers, have nowhere to go. This entire incident is bringing back memories from the Mt. Gox incident, where things happened pretty similarly and people are yet to get their money back even after 8 years. Recently, FTX offered a bailout to Voyager, offering to return all the customers' money, but the lawyers of Voyager outrightly rejected the offer, citing that this offer would neither benefit Voyager nor the customers but only FTX. And Tesla, the car maker, who has been an active supporter of cryptos and Bitcoin particularly, has sold $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin as per their last quarterly filing. Tesla reported that they sold their Bitcoins for a realized gain and they were open to buying more Bitcoin in future. Elon Musk intervened during a earning call to clarify that the recent sale of Bitcoin was to ease out their cash positions, as the recent supply chain disruptions in China meant that they need to have more cash in their hands, and that's why they needed to sell their Bitcoin holdings, and they were open to buying more Bitcoin in future. Surprisingly, there was no market reaction to this news, and Bitcoin's price continued to rise upward when this news broke out. Well, Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, talked about the Ethereum merge and the future roadmap for the Ethereum ecosystem, where he talked about how Bitcoin is set to be 80% complete in its journey. Ethereum is just 55% on its way to become a mature product. He talked about the 5 upcoming stages of Ethereum development, where the first one is the merge, where Ethereum will move into a proof of stake system from the currently proof of work system, and this will result in great energy efficiency, and this will also be a step towards more scalability. The next one is the search phase, where sharding will be introduced, that is multiple layers onto the blockchain of Ethereum will be introduced, which will actually improve the scalability of the Ethereum network. The next one is the verge, where Workle trees will be used, where users can choose to be network validators without having to store enormous amount of data onto their nodes. And the fourth one is the purge, where the excessive historical data will be shrinked. And the last one is going to be the splurge, where basically is the last stage where some minor updates and fun stuff will happen on the Ethereum network. So thanks for watching, guys. See you again. Do like the video and subscribe to us, and stay updated for the next video.